Mwaka muthiru kiama gia kuramata mitaratara ya sacco itanyihire ngirinya guothe bururi-ini gwata arugamiriri wacio Cusco ni aingatirwo ituro-ini thutha wa Ungumania kuhuhirwo biringi-ini uria wari minista wa thathaiti Simon Cherugui. Umuthi mucemano-ini wa arugamiriri ya sacco itiganite riboti ya uria muigana wa ciringi bilioni 12.5 ciarigiririe mihuko-ini ya andu ni temanirio giikaro kiria kirehire hamwe minista wa thathaiti Oparanya na ruhonge runene rwa uheani wa marua ma sacco sasra.
For the last 2 years, the auditor who was supposed to be signing the account passed on. But for 2 years, he signed when he was in the grave. Can you imagine? And how a proper constituted board of directors, how do you have a firm of one auditor to be auditing a company or a sacco of billions?
In terms of irregularity, these were loans that were issued to members in Cusco that by the procedure of the policies defined, they should not have qualified for those loans. One of the aspects either they did not have the requisite savings to qualify for those loans, but they were given those loans, or they had other non-performing loans. As much as the employees, they were advanced other loans.
Riboti ino ihithuritie ati hari kigina kia hamwe gia gukombithia amemba kana CFF urugamiriri uria watongoragio ni George Toto wa ungumanagia ciringi milioni 580 o mwaka kigina-ini kiria gitagateirwo marua kuma kuri sasra ona kana ministry ya thathaiti.
Some of us are fossils in these organizations, and if you stick in one place for far too long, you become comfortable and you just become a professional thief. I don't know why we are calling things fraud here. There was no fraud. It was theft. We just want our money back.
Ihinda-ini riri Cusco iramataga muigana wa bilioni 20 iri mbeca na indo ingi cia amemba, no riboti ironania ona ngombo imwe ciaheanitwo itiuikaine ciaheanirwo na mutaratara uriku amu itingirumiririka kimathabu. Kuringana na munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu kwaya kuri na wici ungi ukoretwo ugithegea na riu akahoya sacco cithuthurio ire kiumbe.
The law in this country is sufficient to follow those people to wherever it is they are, to wherever it is they took our money, and let us take quick action so that there is no compromise on the way, or our monies which were hidden somewhere, because where did these monies go, are not further taken away.
So wajamaa hao kama wako kwa maofisi watoke kwa maofisi, tuwakute saa ile watakuwa arrested, wakuwe wako kwa nyumba zao. Sindio? Yes. And nobody who has been in Cusco, whether a director, an employee who is clean,
hari mendekithia maria maheanitwo kurugamia Cusco ringi ni gucenjia urugamiriri wothe kuhingurwo thitango kwa madirekta aria marugamirio wira na indo ciao ciyukio ni EACC. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.